As I advised to Paulo Cruzada, Paulo Cruzada, do not promote terrorism in Messenger. First of all, I know you are a Marcos loyalist wannabe. I know you are saying about what is it? The Islamic State of Iraq and Syria. That's called ISIS. You know, Paulo Cruzada. When I was told by J. Rick Silva what happened there in Australia in the Bondi shooting, the two Indians and the one of his father was an Indian and his son was Australian citizen who was an Indian origin. They just shot those people who were Judaism, who were Australians. They were killed during the Hanukkah celebration. I know I'm a Jewish. I celebrate Hanukkah. Oh, I'm a Judaism. I celebrate Hanukkah. Just remember, Paulo Cruzada, that ISIS had killed innocent people. For example, what I remember I said, Shia Muslims, Christians, oh, Christians and Shia Muslims were persecuted by ISIS. Oh, because I know ISIS are Salafist. They are Wahhabism. They are Sunnis. Do you idolize that radical global terrorist organization based in Syria and Iraq, which is called ISIS? You know, Paulo Cruzada, oh, when you heard from Carl Vilus says, oh, you remember the coalition forces in Iraqi war after the fallout of Saddam Hussein. Saddam Hussein was ousted as a president of Iraq when ISIS was created in Iraq. If you remember about the Battle of Fallujah, when the U.S. Marines has a gun raid, they have a gun raid, they have a gunfight against ISIS. Oh, they kill all ISIS insurgencies in Iraq, because as you can see that ISIS are radical. Do you remember the administration of Donald Trump? Oh, the U.S. Army Delta Force, they killed Abu Bakr Baghdadi in Syria. Because I know Donald Trump asked permission to Vladimir Putin and the Syrian president Bashar al-Assad in Syria. He asked them a permission to send the U.S. Delta Force to kill the ISIS terrorist leader Abu Bakr Baghdadi, and he was shot. Oh, the ISIS have never longer in Syria, even Iraq as well, have no longer. Oh, why there's no longer ISIS in Syria and Iraq? No longer. Oh, as you can see, we describe in the current events of Teacher Mayo during the time of Rodrigo Duterte. He killed Idsilon Hapilon. He killed Omar Maute and Abdullah Maute. Why they are killed? Even Amin Baku, who was a Malaysian terrorist, who was leading in the ISIS in the Philippines. They were killed by Philippine Army Scout Rangers during the time of Rodrigo Duterte, when they used a sniper shot, gunshot, Slam. They killed Itzilon Hapilon and Umar Mahute. Is this what you like, Paulo Cruzada? You praising ISIS? Oh, what if, for example, if you killed by, for example, by Delta Force? Oh, if you killed by British SAS, what will be happen to you, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, what will be happen to you and your family? And you're praising terrorism. You're promoting terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you see, Joseph Maspinas was being trauma because of you. Joseph Maspinas cannot study. He cannot eat dinner. He can't eat lunch. He can't eat lunch and dinner because of you, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not promote terrorism in social media. Like, for example, in Messenger, you promoting terrorism. I know Messenger is close with Facebook, right? Oh, you promoting terrorism. Do you know what was I was told by Mr. Dennis Gill, the father of David Gill? Terrorism is not a knowledge, Paulo Cruzada. Ah, first of all, you attack Wawel Romero. You attack Teacher Kel. You attack Teacher Jessa Fernandez, that her husband, Sir Calvin Cuevas. Even Teacher Jessa Fernandez, you attack her. Oh, you attack Calvin Cuevas, you attack him. And you saying the word, what was Paulo Cruzada said? Gasa in si Teacher Kelpabelo. Si who is it? Mina Suchoy. Oh, what you were saying to Mina Suchoy while she was in South Korea, that she is a Miss Earth 2022. You are harassing her. Oh, you're harassing Teacher Kel, was in the US. And she is married to Eskel Penumbra. Why did you do that, Paulo Cruzada? What is wrong with you? What is in your stupid mind? You are really abnormal, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you're promoting terrorism. You, Jima Casandil, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, those three idiots. All of you are promoting terrorism last year. For what? For what all of you did to Joseph Maspinas and and Shania Kiana, including Teacher Kel Pabelo and Mina Suchoy, and even Teacher Jessa Fernandez and her husband, Sir Calvin Cuevas. I say again, Paulo Cruzada, Jean Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil. Here's what I'm saying, mahiya naman kayo. Puro kayo kawalang yakan. Puro kayo terrorismo. Oh, that's what I said. Promoting terrorism is not really good. You see what happened in Australia in the Bondi shooting last December 14. When I was there in Japan, I heard the news. Oh, I saw the post from Facebook in the news. The one of the Indian who was a father and his son was an Australian Indian who killed Australians who were Judaism. They are not actually Israelis. They are Australians who were Judaism. They celebrated Hanukkah. And what you can see, they are killed. Oh, they shot by a shotgun or spring rolled rifle. They were killed. Oh, is this what you like to promote terrorism? Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil. Oh, is this what all of you like to promote terrorism? I will never forget Paulo Cruzada for what you're saying. You're saying about Sabugin Double City. What if people are hearing to say that you're making a bomb joke? You're making a bomb threat. Bomb joke and bomb threat it's a criminal offense, Paulo Cruzada. You will be 5-year imprisonment, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, just remember when J. Rick Silva says it's a terrorism. Oh, it's an act of terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. In your what you're saying in Messenger, it's an act of terrorism. You see, Paulo Cruzada, you didn't attend the hearing in last January 14 when Sophia Ahmad Sultan says mag-attend ka sa hearing, Paulo Cruzada. See you on January 14. Lalo na, what's that? Lalo na si Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, at si G. Macasandil. Oh, this is what I said. Like Sophia Ahmad Sultan says, you need to attend the hearing, but you didn't attend the hearing. And you know, Paulo Cruzada, you don't give us a shame that you harass teacher Marvel, or even you harass teacher Marisa, who was being quiet, nananahimik. And even you harass everyone, Paulo Cruzada. You harass all of those people, including Wawel Romero, including Mina Suchoy, even Drita Ziri, even Jessica Lane. You harass them, Paulo Cruzada. You don't have a shame of yourself. You don't have foolish on yourself. You don't have you're shameless in your pitfall. Why are you always like that, Paulo Cruzada? You know, Shania Kiana says to me, she talks to Paulo Cruzada's parents, that Paulo Cruzada is a special child. And he says about he never says about bad things, or he knows about me that I was there in CDIFI, or we were still there, I was studying there. Oh, when I was studied there, you know each other. Paulo Cruzada, that was a student of Teacher May, right? And he was a classmate of Ralph Guevara and schoolmate of Wawel Romero, including Kuya Sam Eranjo or Kuya Kroll Ramirez. They were still classmates. Even Charmaine Aloyan, Ate Charmaine Aloyan, I mentioned. They were still classmates. When I was there with Teacher Lendel, we know each other, Paulo Cruzada. We met each other. And now, You're promoting terrorism. And you're saying about ISIS, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you will be you will be killed. Mamatay ka na, Paulo Cruzada. This is not really good to say about terrorism. Hey you, Jima Casandil, why you attack Paula Colin Nunez? Don't you know, Jima Casandil, that Paula Colin Nunez is your niece? That mean she's your niece, she's your relative. If you're attacking Paula, why are you promoting terrorism, ISIS? Jima Casandil. Even you, Gina Sejo, you're working as sped teacher in Japan. Why are you promoting terrorism like ISIS? Oh, don't you know that Japan is joining the military coalition to fight against terrorism, even ISIS? And then you're praising the fucking ISIS. You know what you're saying? Teacher Gina Sejo, you are a sped teacher in CDIFI. You're a friend of Teacher Marisa and you're saying about ISIS? And your son, Jeffrey Asejo, you're saying about, what is it in Tagalog word? ISIS ako? Diyos ko, wag kayo puro terrorism. You know, it's really panicking to other people like bomb joke or bomb threat, because you know, bomb threat, it's a cause of panicking. Oh, I've been talking to my Lebanese friends in TikTok live. They said to me, ISIS is the enemy of the Shia Muslim. Oh, they are an enemy. Oh, not even just that. ISIS is the enemy of the Shia Muslims who were persecuting. Millions of Filipino Shia Muslims are fighting against terrorism, to fight against ISIS. Not even just that. All the world are fighting against ISIS. Even all the nations, like for example, all nations, even the other world that have been fighting against terrorism. Oh. And you see, Paulo Cruzada, the Abu Sayyaf was no longer exists in Cebu and Basilan. The Abu Sayyaf has been dismantled. Even, for example, the Maute group was already also dismantled after the Battle of Marawi during the time of Rodrigo Duterte. And I am warning you, to all of you, I have a warning to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jima Casandil. Stop promoting terrorism. That's why Roylan Marlang says, do not promote terrorism. Oh. Just like I said before, that ISIS is a ideology called the Salafism and Wahhabism. They are anti-Christians. They are anti-Shia Muslims. Oh. Even they are anti-Judaism. They are anti-LGBT. They are homophobic. Oh. Just like what happened anyway, oh, who's gay? My cousin anyway. My cousin who's a gay is Arion, oh. Even others who were gay is Ninong Michael. Oh. Because I know Ninong Michael just shocked. The ISIS have been killed LGBT who were gays in Iraq. Now, my Ninong Michael was very angry at ISIS. Oh, why Why like me, I'm angry at ISIS. They kill Shia Muslims. They kill Christians. They kill Judaism. Oh, that's not really good to promote terrorism. Paulo Cruzada.